Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to purge your filters for your SimPure Purifier, whether it is setting it up for the very first time or whether you've just replaced your cartridges and it's time to flush it out so that way you have nice, clean drinking water. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you are replacing either the CF or RO filter, or maybe both, simply twist off the old one and twist on the new one. You can pull the filters forward to make it easier to change them out. Now, whether this is the first time you've used your SimPure or if you are just simply changing one of the filters or both, you need to fill up the water reservoir and place it in the back of the unit so that way the machine can begin the quick flushing operation. Once you put the water reservoir in place and the device is powered on, you will see the flushing light turn on. This will run for about 30 seconds and is just flushing the membrane and does not affect the drinking water, and it will do this every single time you add the water reservoir. Flushing is done, you will be moving on to the filtering section, and you'll notice the water will be being sucked in on the bottom of the reservoir. The filtration process can take about 8 minutes as it moves the water from the back reservoir to the internal reservoir of the machine. Next up, place a large container like this one and then press the flushing button, which will empty out the internal reservoir and suck the water out of the back reservoir. You'll need to repeat this process until the machine is empty. When the change water light turns on, it is now time to empty out the remaining water in the back reservoir or feed tank. This is the wastewater that's always on the one side of the tank, even when you're using the device that needs to always be poured out. Now you need to repeat this process 3 to 5 times from filling up the back reservoir and emptying it out, so that way the filters are nice and clean and ready to go for drinking water. That is the process of purging your filters, whether it is brand new or you are just changing out one or both filters. It is pretty simple, and you are now good to go for having great drinking water.